In the aircraft maintenance industry, FAA compliance isn't just important, it's everything. For over 19 years, eLeaP's Part 145 compliant learning management system has helped repair stations and MRO providers eliminate audit stress and keep technicians properly authorized and ready to work. With eLeaP, your repair station gets complete visibility into technician training and competencies. Track initial training, recurrent requirements, and OJT completion for every aircraft type and system. Our platform manages 14 CFR Part 145.163 training documentation, from skills validation to certification tracking, keeping your team qualified and your operation compliant. Turn audit preparation from weeks into minutes. eLeaP's real-time compliance reporting generates complete technician training files, skills documentation, and OJT completion records instantly. Every training event is time-stamped and digitally signed, giving FAA inspectors the documentation they need before they even ask. Document control made simple. Securely managed training manuals, competency records, and maintenance procedures with version tracking and proper sign-offs. eLeaP's comprehensive audit trails document every training action, ensuring full transparency and complete traceability for Part 145 compliance. With eLeaP, your repair station operates with confidence. Technicians stay properly authorized. Quality managers stop scrambling before audits. Multi-location operations stay standardized. The result? Pass FAA inspections with ease, reduce compliance costs, and win more customer contracts with professional training documentation. Experience the power of eLeaP's Part 145 compliant LMS. Transform your repair station's training compliance and stay audit-ready always. Visit us today at eleapsoftware.com or call 877-624-7226.